Hey you guys, today we're going to go ahead and use this easy press and we're going to make some masks. These masks are going to be for my kids, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust my temperature at 330 and it'll be 30 seconds. So I'm going to let that set. When it's ready, it's going to turn green and it's going to alert me that it is ready to start my project. So this mask, I'm going to do 3 of them. I'm just going to show you 2 of them really quick. And I'm going to go ahead and make a cool design for the kids. They're just a regular masks that I picked up that they were selling and they said they were for kids. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 in black. And I'm going to see what I'm going to add as a design. Because, you know, the kids need masks and I didn't want it to be boring. When they wear them, I thought I wanted to do something fun, like add a design or add their name under or an initial, something that could tell them apart so they won't wear the same mask and they don't get them confused. So I'm going to do this to all the masks that I picked up, but I'm just going to show you 2 of them so you can see what you can do with your easy press. Now, the decals I'm using for this, I'm going to link the link down below. Go ahead and go through there and you're going to I'm also giving you a 15% off your whole purchase. So you can use that 15% off anytime you go. If you want to purchase 2 of them first and then 3 decals, go ahead. Once you purchase them, they're yours forever. You can use them and download them into your computer. I'm going to go ahead and use the A for adventures because he loves the adventures, and the A for Antonio is perfect since he loves all the superheroes and everything. I thought this was cool, and they have the decal that you can download there, and it is so pretty. And I did it in this blue material that I love, and the vinyl is really cheap, so I'm going to link it down below as well so you can get $5 off the vinyl. So I have everything ready for you so you can buy your stuff at an affordable price. Trust me, I did the research and this is what I found. So you'll get a $5 off your whole purchase the first time. So all I'm doing is adjusting it, making sure I have it exactly where I want it. I want it on the side. I don't want it covering the face or nothing like that. Just something as an initial so his mask does not get confused with someone else. I'm going to go ahead and put on my sheet just to press it down. Once it's ready, it'll be green. As you can see, it is green. Just making sure that my decal does not move until I press it. I don't want nothing to move, nothing in the way until I'm ready. And once you have it ready or you saw how it moved, that's a no-no. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around and adjust it the other way. I don't want nothing in the way once you're ready to press it. Because once you press it on there, it's there for, it's there permanent. It's not going to come off. I'm going to go ahead and press it. And I'm going to just wait for the countdown. So it's that simple. You can go ahead and check out the link for the decals. They have so many. You can buy, especially for the kids, they have a lot of Disney ones. They have Mickey Mouse. They have the Adventures. They have Star Wars, the Hawk, which is one of my favorites. I purchased a little hawk hand for my son, which is one of his favorite superheroes of all times. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn around the mask and I'm going to press it again for 15. I'm going to adjust the temperature, the time to 15. And then once it's ready, it's going to stop blinking. And then you just press it and it'll count it down. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have so many more DIYs and projects that I'm going to work with this heat press, just so you get ideas of what you can do with it. So I'll guide you through the whole steps so you can go ahead and try it yourself. Now it says not to peel off the sticker until it's nice and cool. So I'm going to wait for it a couple of seconds and let it cool down before I peel off the sticker. I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to go ahead and make one more. I'm going to show you one more. And this one, I'm going to do it in this green vinyl that I love. And it's the same mask. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. and I'm gonna work with it. So they're nice and smooth. It's best to use it when you first get it, to put your decal on there, just so it's nice and smooth when you're working with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the M for my youngest son's name. I thought that was so cool. And in this neon like green. And I also did one that I did not show you, and I added the little hawk hand. So I did the same exact steps. All I did was grab a different decal. And he loved it. Let me tell you, he loved it. I'm going to go ahead and grab my paper. I think that's exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to press it down. It's already ready. I'm just going to change the time to 30. Once it's ready, it'll stop blinking and you can go ahead and press it. And then you just wait for it for the countdown, and it's going to beep when it's ready. It's going to alert you all the time. It's never not going to. And then we're just going to hold it down and wait for it. Now you can also customize your own masks. If you have, you can add your initial on there. You can add your name. If you buy them, of course, unless you're going to buy them already made, it's optional. I'm going to go ahead and flip it to 15. I might as well set the timer. And it looks pretty cool already. I'm going to press the back of it, only 15. That's what the website told me. I'm going to set the time and I'm going to wait. I thought it would be very, I don't know, when I first bought this machine, I thought it would be super hard to use, but so far I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I've been making a ton of different projects with it, and I'm super happy with the results. Everything has been coming out really nice, and I am just having a good time just with the whole thing. But yeah, look at, I'm going to go ahead and peel it off, and you're going to see how easy the thing is just going to come off. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and just peel them off when they're nice and dry. You got to wait till they're dry. Don't peel them off hot like me where I tried. Wait till it's nice and dry, and it's going to come out super easy. Look at how easy that was. And there you go. You have your A for the adventures, or A for my son's name, which is Antonio. And then the M for Manuel, which I say Manny all the time. Wait until it's nice and cool to the touch, and then go ahead and peel it off. And that came out super easy. And there you go. You have your customized mask. I hope you make some. I know your kids would love it if you made this for them. So I hope you do. And if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how they came out. Go ahead and tag me in the picture and let me know how easy the process was. And until next time, bye you guys.